Hi learners, welcome to our another new session. Hope you all are doing very well and practicing your lessons regularly. So, today we are going to learn the name of 10 liquids with their correct spellings and pronunciations. Now, here we go. Number 1. Blood. B L O O D. Blood. Number 2. Milk. M I L K. Milk. Number 3. Water. W A T E R. Water. Number 4. Honey. H O N E Y. Honey. Number 5. Coffee. C O F F E E. Coffee. Number 6. Wine. W I N E. Wine. Number 7. Oil. O I L. Oil. Number 8. Urine. U R I N E. Urine. Number 9. Mercury. M E R C U R Y. Mercury. Number 10. Petrol. P E T R O L. Petrol. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned to learn more. If you are finding my videos helpful, subscribe my channel and share them with others.